Hey guys, Toby here. This is not usually how I start filming. I'm usually in a very high spirit and in a very high mood, but today I'm just really laid back because there's something on my mind that I'd like to share with you guys. I'm not supposed to say this. It's not like me. I mean, I keep my personal things to myself. I know my family watching this right now might have to call me, but I'm just gonna say it anyway because I feel like I just have to say it. I can't keep it in anymore. So let me just say it. If you haven't subscribed to my channel and you're watching me right now, please subscribe. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. Subscribe to my channel. Who says I'm gonna be in a bad mood? I'm always here. Have you forgotten? Told me with a good vibe. Woo! Welcome back to my channel. Yes, I'm back. Today I'm doing something very different. I'm standing in my kitchen and I am going to share with you how to cook a Nigerian recipe as requested by one of my amazing viewers. And I got a private message, somebody asking me to share what Nigerian food tastes like, what it looks like, and I'm super excited because if there's anything I love doing, it's cooking. I love to cook, and welcome to my kitchen. I'm going to be a chef today. You can call me Chef Toby. Disclaimer, I am not a certified chef. I am not a professional. So if I cook anything, viewers' discretion is advised. Okay, jokes apart, I love to cook. I love cooking. So this is definitely going to be very interesting for me, and I hope it's interesting for you. So I'm making a fantastic dish today, maybe two, I don't know. Quick summary before we go on. The first thing I'm going to be doing is sharing with you all of the ingredients for what I'll be cooking today, and I'm still not telling you what I'm cooking yet, so you have to keep watching. Okay, I'm sorry. No, don't go anywhere. Wait. Yeah, I am I'll share with you the ingredients. I'll share with you the miscellaneous, the things that I got that was not on my list, but I just got them anyway because everybody does that. You go to the market, you want to get something that's on the list, but then you see something else that's just calling and it's like, Auntie, buy me, please, buy back, blah, blah, blah. Yeah, so yeah, I'll share with you all of that, and I would cook and share the tips and tricks and cooking steps. So why don't we get started? First things first, wash your hands. Chef Toby will be right back. Let's cook. Okay guys, so a quick video of my ingredients. First things first, my pumpkin leaves, also known as Ugwu. Also seasoning cubes, ground pepper, because I don't have the original Cameroon pepper, so I just use this. Crayfish, ground crayfish. We've got, this is what I like to call assorted. That's what many people call it anyway. It's got cow tongue, beef shin, cow tail, intestines and all of that. Got stockfish, boneless stockfish, onions. I love onions a lot. Garlic and ginger, palm oil, salt, and black pepper. So these are my ingredients for the AYAMASHE sauce. The first thing is the bell peppers. You have to have bell peppers for this. You can have as many as you want depending on the quantity. Also, this is optional, but this is just what I like to add, some more pepper because I like my food spicy. Eggs, important but not necessary. Yeah, more assorted, and by assorted I mean like cow tongue, cow tail, beef, onions, of course, seasoning cubes, salt, black pepper, palm oil, and sunflower oil. Vegetable oil if you prefer, doesn't matter. I like to mix both of them. Most people just use only palm oil, but I prefer to use both because last time I tried using just palm oil, I bleached my oil so much that my fire alarm went off. So next time I tried cooking it, I mixed both the sunflower oil and the palm oil, and it didn't give that much smoke. So yeah, let's begin. Now for my turkey, chicken, and goat meat stew. These are my ingredients. Turkey, of course. I've got goat meat in bite-sized chunks. I've got chicken. Couldn't pull it out of the nylon because it's extremely frozen right now, but I'll sort that out later. I've got seasoning cubes. I've got ginger. My garlic is laying around somewhere because I need to add ginger and garlic. I've got red bell peppers and tiny peppers, and I've got chopped tomatoes in a can. I prefer to use fresh tomatoes, but I was in such a hurry today that I didn't remember to grab some extra stuff that I needed because I was running out of time, so I just picked these. I've got salt, I've got black pepper, I've got palm oil and sunflower oil. I like to mix them together. So I don't like to have too much palm oil in my soup or stew or whatever it is. So I like to have more vegetable oil or sunflower oil. So these are my ingredients. Yes, let us begin. Now these are the miscellaneous things that I got, some of which I didn't put on the list. For instance, this Ghanaian donut thing, I didn't put it on the list, but I got anyway. Plantains, very, very, very important. I love plantains a lot. Noodles, I got some more, but I don't think it's necessary for me to display everything. Sardines, very essential. Yam, I love yam. I just love yam. Kitchen towels, because the ones I have are already... No, I have just one, so I had to get more. And yeah, plastic packs. So yeah, these are the miscellaneous irrelevant stuff I got, except plantains, very, very relevant, and yam and sardine, yeah, and noodles. Okay, yeah, everything is relevant. Welcome back. So yeah, that was my Nigerian dishes. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't, or else I'll give you another speech. Okay? Anyway, yeah, thank you so much guys for watching. I've got to go now. I'm so hungry, and yeah, bye bye.
Subscribe, oh yeah, subscribe, oh yeah, subscribe, yeah, subscribe, oh yeah, subscribe, yeah, yeah.
Yo, what about? I am back again. Oops, my earring. Just 1 second. Okay, let's do that again.